Hello everyone, welcome to my garage. Today we are going to talking about C400 display DIY situation, what I have done on it. Take a look on it. Okay, this one C400X, but this is to be similar with C400 GT anyway. Alright, what I have done, take a look. Okay, starting menu with M, motor rods. So now it's what we got here. Okay, this is S1000RR for display dash screen on the graphic. Okay, for the menu we still have the same. This is my vehicle. Alright, still C400X anyway. No question. Okay. So the second one, the value we add here, sport menu. We can have the sport menu for replacement of urban. Okay, before we have urban, now we have our sport menu for this one. We have ASC value can show here. We have brakes value can show here. Alright, the first menu is like this. The second menu, this one. Okay, and the third menu. Okay, this is a little bit uncompletely from my own, because I'm starting doing incomplete in modification. But the file that I will put on your bike to be completely with 3 menu completely. But the RPM will be not 1,000. It's going to be 12,000. For the RPM, for the highest RPM. Okay, it's that one is completely already, but this one not yet complete because of still have some bugs in the software, I guess. And okay, take a look in the first menu of the sport, what it look like when we running this engine. Okay, we can have here for RPM and the speed to be here. Alright, it looks like this. Okay, next for the dash menu outside, we can have here alright. All functions still the same with your present or your old display from BMW Motorrad that they gave. All functions still there, no issue with that. So if you want this one, please PM me, contact me by messenger, whatever. Okay, goodbye. Have a good day all. Bye bye.